Takot ka bang tumalon? O hindi mo na mabitawan yung nakaraan? Hanggang ganyan ka na lang. Ali? Nakakulong sa nakaraan? Ayaw mo ba ng bagong buhay? Ng bagong Ali? Sean!
Ali, you don't have to jump.
What are you doing here? You bastard!
I came for you. Look, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. I thought I could leave, but I couldn't. I love you.
No! No! You don't!
I do.
Girls! Girls! Time check, let's go!
Ito na, ang ganda pa naman ito. Go na daw. Ako. Ay! Babasa ako.
Huwag po sana kayong magalit sa amin. Yes, we contacted Sean, kaya niya alam kung nasaan po kami ngayon. This evening is Ali's greatest test of strength.
You know what else is going to come out of this? Huh? People swooning. People getting giddy about this fake romantic setup for the two of us.
This isn't fake. I love you. I don't think your audience believes it either.
People tend to forget. Excuse me. Let me address those people. Iharap po sa akin yan. Kayo, baka nakakalimutan nyo, niloko ko nitong hayop na afam na to. Nagka-leche-leche ang buhay ko, ang negosyo ko. Halos masiraan ako ng bait. Nawindang ako ng bonggang-bongga. Ayoko na!
Ali.
Ali, kung gusto mong piliin yung show at yung premyo para makapagbagong buhay ka, well then and good. Okay yun.
Yes. Pinipili ko tong show na to. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na magpapagamit ako sa harap ng kamera nyo.
Anong gamit? Walang nanggagamit sa'yo dito. Sana alam mo na lahat to parte nung show. Redeem yourself. Matalo ka man, manalo ka man, magtatagumpay ka pa rin for as long as magpakatotoo ka sa kung anong nararamdaman mo.
Disgust. Yun yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. Disgusted ako for allowing myself to hurt this much.
Turn a little bit to your left, please. There you go. Okay, continue.